Hi, welcome back to the channel. Something very new, at least I haven't seen it before, and I've done 2 videos before on how to get the most juice out of your high-end Samsung Galaxy phone, especially the Note 20 Ultra. I currently have the Note 20 Ultra Exynos edition, and I've done videos but now I'm averaging between 5.5 and 6.5 hours of screen on time, sometimes a bit more, sometimes a bit less, and I have everything turned on. My location's turned on, my Bluetooth's turned on. I hate to admit, use Facebook Lite, and no problems. But let me show you something that's very new and let me know if you've seen this before. I don't think so. So go to Settings, go to Battery and Device Care. It might be called something slightly different on every phone. And then if I tap on the word battery, there's nothing new, by the way, here. And this tells you how long you've been using your phone, how much is available, etc., etc. And if you tap the middle part here, it tells you how long I've been using it. I've at the moment just used it with 1 hour, 5 minutes screen time on it so far. But this tells you the apps that have been using my battery. Nothing new here. Okay, I'm going to go back, but I want to show you this. I do not have power saving mode on, but I'm going to go to more battery settings. And I've had this turned on since day one, adaptive battery, which limits battery usage for apps that you don't use often. So you don't see any slowdown. It works brilliantly. No problem whatsoever. It's been improved actually since I've had the phone. So nothing new there. But remember, it's turned on. I'm going to go back again. Device Care. At the top right hand corner, 3 dots. You can add, by the way, this to the home screen so you get a nice little icon called Device Care. But this is new, automation. So you can have it so it actually turns itself on and off daily when you're sleeping, so it stops all the running apps that you may or may not use. I basically do not use that, but I've just turned it on just to show you. But look at this one, the 3rd one down. That's the new one. Adaptive power saving, which is slightly different. Turn power saving mode on and off automatically based on your usage patterns. So you can save power when it's not needed. Notice that is turned off. Whereas the normal adaptive power, let me just show you again, is turned on. So it's brand new, not seen it before. I've been using it for about 3 days. I don't want to say it's been that much better, because it always takes time for these things to work. But I'm definitely getting more batteries for sure. So just, here you go. I'm turning it on. Let me know in the comments if you knew about this before. I'd appreciate it if you subscribe or at least like the video. Really motivates me to do more like this. And I'm about to do another one on a new feature that has also got added at the same time on the gallery using a Samsung phone. Really phenomenal stuff. Okay, be safe, subscribe, see you soon.